Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another tier list video. And today, I will be ranking JoJo characters. Now, this is only parts 1 through 5, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So, I will be ranking these off of my personal favorites. Now, Abakio's partner. Um, we never really saw him much, so I'm gonna put him in mid tier. Adam Licks, even though he's from part one, and I really enjoy part one, Phantom Blood, um, he's bottom tier. Like he's just overall creepy in a way. Um, Kami, Yoshi, and Rake. I put them in high tier because they're more of cheerleaders in a way. Akira Atoshi. Well, there's two versions for some odd reason. I think one of them shows like the manga. Wait, no, Rohan. I think on the Rohan anime, which is a different, which is just a side story of JoJo. The first Akira Atoshi, eh, he's high tier, I guess. The other Toshi is low tier. Alessi, low tier. Anita, well, I don't know how to. Hang on, let me just try to. Eh, well, Anita is probably top tier, I guess. Anjiro, Kataguri, bottom. He's a creep. And low tier. Oh, Annie or something, I don't know. Anubis, though. Well, he's a god, so I mean, he's a Egyptian god, so gotta put Egyptian gods in. Yeah, hang on. Wait, it's a minus. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, whatever. Arabia Facts. He's low tier. Arnold has to be in, yeah, top tier. I had Sui, not sure. So low tier. Ayana Hirose, high tier. Boingo. Um, he's. I gotta give him mid. Bruford though, top tier. Bruno Bucciarati, aka Mama Bruno. Gotta move Bruno into God tier. Bruno's mother, top tier. Rat, like bug eaten. Yeah, no. Caesar Zeppeli, God tier. For obvious reasons. Well, it's because I like the Zeppelis. I kind of wish Araki kind of put them in more in the story instead of just Phantom Blood and Battle Tendency. Cairo Informant. Eh, he's actually pretty high up there, high tier, I guess, because he helped. I guess he kind of helped the Crusaders. Cameo. Low to bottom tier. Karn. Mid. Shaka. Top tier. Shibuya Bushi's owner. He's kind of. I know he's a kid, but at bottom tier. He really didn't keep. He really didn't have his dogs much on a leash. Chocolata, bottom. Actually, Shibuya and Bushi's owner actually goes higher. I'm not gonna put him in the same tier as Chocolata. Class president. She's kind of mid. Clone Abdul is kind of mid. Clone Cherry is also mid. Poco Jumbo, top tier. Confessor's daughter. I guess she goes in like mid tier. Confessor's servant also goes in there. First Darby we see. I guess he's high tier. I guess Danny. Gotta move Danny up into God tier. Dario Brando. Oh yeah, no, he is worse. He is the worst of the worst. He's the cause of all of it. He's the real cause of everything. If Dario wasn't such a bad father, it would all be good. Like everything will be fine in the JoJo universe. No such thing as stains. Nothing bad would happen. Anyway, Dealer Boy. It's kind of low tier for not accepting. He's kind of low because didn't accept. Diablo, haven't really saw him much. So. Diablo, I mean, he's a sick man. I mean, he's awful. But we gotta put him higher than Dario Brando. Father and mother. Well, foster father and mother. And they're kind of high tier. Now, Dio Brando, top tier. Dio. I gotta put him up there in like the top tier for obvious reasons. Dire Straight. Eh, kind of low. Donatella. Eh, Donovan. He's low. Doobie, bottom for obvious freaking reasons. Try not to swear. Elizabeth the First. Gotta put her high out there. Elizabeth's mother, top tier, even though much. Enyaba, Enya the Hag, mid. Irina Pendleton, god tier, and even after she married Jonathan, god tier. ACDC. I have to put him in the top tier. Father Nijimura, bottom tier. He didn't really take good care of his kids that well. He's kind of greedy. Father Sticks, low tier. Female paramedic, well, high tier. Female reporter, mid tier. Flower shop owner, bottom. Forever Oh, yeah, yeah, no, he's definitely going on the bottom. Oh, there's a... I might have to make this into a part two. Well, let's see how much time we have left. Okay, not sure how long it's been. Oh, 10 minutes. Okay. Yeah, well, I guess we can do a few more. Formaggio, low tier. George Joestar. I gotta get him up in the god tier because he's the son of Jonathan. Now the father of Jonathan. I mean, he's up there. Like he's in the top tier. Yashio, bottom. Now Giorno Giovanna, the illegitimate son of Dio Brando, goes in god tier. Giorno's mother and stepfather. Yeah, no, they're awful. Gray flies mid. Mista, on the other hand, he's top tier. He is top tier. Now, I will do just two more. Gunpei Kamafusa. Oh, no, I guess I'll put him in mid tier. And Hayato Kawajiri is the last one. Move him to high tier. Well, that is all the time we have for today. If you enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, and or subscribe. And if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, I hope you're all having an amazing morning, afternoon, evening, or night, wherever you are in the world. And as always, I will see you in the next video. And remember, keep on gaming.